Hey folks, welcome to the video. And in this video, we are going to cover a revolutionary platform called Codedamn. Why I called revolutionary? As a developer, you need all things at one place, like from blogs, from guides, roadmap, tutorials, environment that you need as a developer to code. And just imagine like you have a environment on the browser and you can code without leaving your browser. Like simply, it's amazing. So that's why I called a revolutionary platform, and it's built by Mehul Mohan, who is from Bitsvilani, Goa, and that's the amazing platform. I joined Codedamn 1 year ago, Jan 2022, and I learned a lot of things in the past year. I built my projects. I did. I contributed to open source. I learned the web development things and all those stuff. I started my like blogging and all those stuff. This YouTube, the confidence that I build as a developer, that all of things that I get from the Codedamn, explore different roadmaps on. So we are going to explore how you can like best use of these platform. So just jump into it. Just so first thing first, that the dashboard. If you go on a browser and just simply type codedamn.com, you will get all the interface like this. You have to just sign in with your Google, Facebook, or the GitHub account, and just like the simple stuff that you can that you will do on the every website. So once you created the your account set after setting up, so the first lookup that is look like this. This is my screen. So first things is that the dashboard. So on dashboard, you will get all the activities that are you currently enroll or the currently that you are active in. The right now I'm learning React thing, React course that is 5% completed. So that's the thing. And again the Discord server. You can join a Discord server. There are multiple servers available there, and machine learning, web development, like React, where you can connect with other peoples. You can join their team or hackathon, or like you can share your ideas with them. So like the amazing community for developers, which is available on the Discord, Codedamn. So you can join from here. So the number that's showing 250 members are online, and this is my recent activity that I did in the week. And this is the latest videos from the Codedamn. Codedamn is a YouTube channel where uh, like there are a lot of great tutorials available. So if you try to learn from the YouTube, or you can explore the channel from over here. There is a blogs like MySQL and the regression testing. So these are my activity of last week, and this is my XP, that how much projects and all the stuff that I did. So this is a complete dashboard. This is a complete activity dashboard that you can get after creating or doing certain or spending certain amount of time on the platform. And the second thing is learning path. There are other learning paths or like available, like front end developer. If you want to learn front end development, you can go with that. Back end developer, stack developer, Web3, and the data structure algorithm, DevOps, and this DevOps is coming soon. These you can explore. Uh, this is the front end developer learning path. So you can just like go with this topic. Module 1, module 2, there are different modules. The course is distributed in different module. That's why I love the platform. I love the content, because there is not a random resources or the random things that are collected or combined in one thing. There are specific model for each everything, for each concept. So you will get all the things in a description way. So these are the complete 9 modules with the certifications tests that you can give to get the certificate, and the some amount of the front end developer course, which is free. Just like if you see this internet fundamentals, so it's completely free. You can learn free without paying. Then the specific module of the or the specific topic or particular module is free to learn, and other you have to pay for this because of the content. And I personally suggest, as a developer, you can learn a lot of things online. You don't need to pay some amount to particular course. But yeah, I also suggest, if you're a beginner or the self-taught developer, so you have to be very clear in your journey with the particular resources, the proper guide and roadmaps. So that's why you can pay a particular money to particular course, a particular person who can mentor or guide you, or particular platform which give you a content which help you to grow as a developer in your career. So that's why I suggest Codedamn. If you are looking for a course to buy, so I will definitely suggest just like visit Codedamn once. You will definitely love the content. And the second is the backend developer. Like if you like backend development, one thing that I have to add, backend developer, there is lot of requirement as a backend developer in the market right now, but supply is very low. If you started your coding journey in 2023, so I must suggest you to learn backend development as well, because there are a lot of demand in the market right now, but supply is very low. Because as a you can develop a particular application, the front end tools and frameworks, but as a backend developer there are a lot of things that are going on there behind the stage. So you have to like observe everything. You have to look for the every particular aspect, like what's going wrong and right with the performance of the website, like everything you have to going to handle the server, like everything, security. So as a backend developer, there are a lot of things that you have to do in the development side. So there is, so this is a simplified roadmap. This is the interactive roadmap available here. So you can learn a particular topic step by step, how, like which topic you should learn as a backend developer. This is the interactive roadmap. This is the amazing thing that recently Codedamn enables on their platform, and this is the simplified roadmap that you can get. So this is the basic and all those things. Again, I want to add like if you get all the resources, all things from the job opportunities, resources, community where you can ask and like connect with other people, like all things you will get all in a very less amount to paying particular platform. So definitely you can go for it. People buy or pay a lot of money to boot camps and all those things. So but I personally suggest Codedamn is one of them great platform that I personally suggest or personally discover as a developer. So that's why I'm suggesting. So you can pick the platform. This is a full stack development, data structure, web3. You can explore the things. Again, this is the courses. This is the courses that I'm currently exploring. So these are the some timeline and a lot of things that I did. I completed some amount, some are pending. So I'm gonna be complete soon. So these are the courses that you can explore. These are the roadmaps, and then again pricing. This is a complete package of the Codedamn. If you are looking to test, so you can definitely go for a particular month, which cost you around 999, which is 1000 rupees. Then if you are looking for the complete year, so you can like go for 4500 for a complete year, 375 a month. And if you are go for the free 6 months, so you can go for the 800 rupees per month, 4800 for 6 months. So that's how the complete pricing looks like on the platform. I suggest to pick like the new year discount offer is going on, so you can buy the 4500 deal. That's the best deal that you can lock. This is the pricing. And the again the forum, this thing that they recently introduced in a platform. Forum looks like you can post a particular questions, like you can ask a question. Definitely you can like, oh, I'm not gonna be asked right now. So this is a filter. You can use filter for the latest and all those things. And then all the question that you can get to Codedamn project and all those stuff. Like you can ask the question if you have, you can answer to particular question if you want to answer, like just like the like small stack overflow, right? Like this thing, the particular community that you can get to connect with the people, you can ask venture, you can ask question to them, you can answer to them, like lot of fun you can do it. And the same with the discord server that you can do. And these are the best part of the Codedamn that I mostly love. which is a playground. Like you don't need to set up a particular law environment for your uh, code to do code. You can code without using a browser from your laptop or mobile. From mobile, I think they launch a particular app on Codedamn. Not sure, but something like that. So if you want to code on the Chrome without leaving your browser, so yeah, definitely Codedamn playgrounds are definitely gonna help. And right now they are completely uh, develop amazing the different new features that I recently read. Like you can get uh, so these are the React. Uh, these are the new features that they added right now, like chunk document, add types, fix bug. You can write a particular code over here if it contain particular bug or particular error. So this feature can fix and all the stuff that you can add over here. This is the complete amazing thing that we recently added. The complete file structure, that everything, the all settings and different things that you can add. Like lot of things that you can do right now on the Codename. So you don't need to worry. So this is how the Codename playgrounds looks like, and you can explore more on your own. So you can just hit the codedamn.com and all stuff, like all the stuff that you can explore for your own. And there are other platforms for each particular language. If you are a HTML CSS want to build some projects, you can go with React, Burn, Node.js, C++, Java, Next.js, lot of. And if you want to clone particular repository, so you can just like enter your URL and it will copy. So that kind of amazing stuff that they did. And this is the community that I'm talking about. Multiple projects available here, just like uh, Discord UI clone, quiz app, and JavaScript, and a lot of things. Like you can build, you can contribute, you can uh, or the add something to it. Lot of things that you can do. Certificates, like I did some courses over here, so these are the my certifications available, and you can get all the certificates here. And the accelerators, these are the coming soon. So this is how a like complete uh, guide to Codedamn you can learn, or you can you can make best use of the Codedamn. And I personally suggest to just explore once as a developer or as a person, and just try to learn, try to explore the free content available. You can definitely want to explore more. I can bet on this because I personally explore, and price are very cheap, or like 3,000, 4,000, just something like that for a complete year, but a particular course. For 4,500, you will get a complete access as a pro subscription member for the complete platform. The like the Discord channel, you can join as a normal person as well, but there are some channels which need a pro subscription, so you can go for it. So like amazing stuff, roadmaps, you can all explore all the courses in this part. Yeah, so this is all the courses and pricing available here. So you can, if you want to pick particular course, you can go for it one by one. And if you want to learn or buy a yearly subscription, so you can go for it. There are some courses which is free under the hood, which is free. And yeah, that kind of stuff that you can and do these things. And yeah, so and the footer section, we can get a particular uh, like or you can work at Codedamn, right on Codedamn campus evangelist platform, which you will get a training from the Codedamn team, and you can explore or the spread the awareness of the coding around the your campus, and you can get hoodies, some swags, and a lot of things from the Codedamn affiliate program over there. These are the popular guides and blogs. So these are the best things in this platform, which I personally get, which I personally learning right now. So that's why I am suggesting you to get on this platform and try to learn something new. If you are starting 2003, 23 as a developer, or trying to learn code, so you can definitely go for it. So thanks for the watching. See ya.